Hi, my name is Megan McMaster, and I chose the appendicular muscles in the lower limbs. Appendicular muscles help with our movement. I chose the gastrocnemius right here. It's half of our calf. The other half of our calf is our soleus, and that lies right behind the gastroc. Then in our quads, we have the iliopsoas, bicep femoris, semimembranosus, and semitendinosus. My name is Megan McMaster. The appendicular muscles help cause movement. I chose in the lower limbs the gastrocnemius, which is half of your calf muscle, and then the other half is our soleus, which lies just beneath the gastroc. Then, in our quads, we have the iliopsoas, sartorius, the gracilis, and then our bicep femoris.